In this video, we are going to study a mounted grain slide of actinolite under the microscope. Under crossed polars, actinolite displays beautiful interference colors. The maximum interference color observed here is second order red. The extinction pattern is inclined, meaning the mineral goes dark at an angle relative to the crosshairs rather than parallel or perpendicular. This inclined extinction is another key property of amphibole group minerals. Under plane polarized light, actinolite appears as a fibrous grain and may also display columnar, bladed, or acicular forms. It shows high relief, making the grain boundaries stand out sharply against the background. Actinolite also exhibits a two-directional cleavage, which is characteristic of amphiboles. Pleochroism is absent in the particular grain, although slight variation may appear in samples. Actinolite's fibrous form, distinct cleavage, and interference color make it a fascinating mineral to identify in thin section. If you are enjoying the mineral identification, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Earth Detective for more content like this. Thanks for watching.